Jopur e kaunti ma Kajiado pod temo kedo kod achiedhnade mar kute maketho cham midendo ni armyworms mosebedo ka monjo puoth bando. Gilero ni kutego eko oseketho cham chakre higa mar 2017 ka bende oseduoko chien yuto mar cham. Duol mochung'ne pith mar cham kod rito mar jamni KALRO pod dhi nyime kod timo nonro mar temo kedo kod kutego.
Kama mkulima wa mahindi tumetoka mbali, sababu kama mimi mkulima mwaka juzi nimelima na mradi wa kafasi Bwana Kasina, na nikapanda kilo 4 za mahindi na nikatumia mbolea kama fertilizer na nikaweka mbolea ile ya ng'ombe. Mimi kwa shamba langu yenye nilikuwa nimelima na wao nitoa gunia 10.5. Kwa hiyo mradi hiyo niliona tukiendelea hivyo tutakuwa tukilima kilimo biashara.
Focus of this program is to manage pests by developing technologies, innovations and management practices which are going to enable farmers lose less to pests, because we know that pests are enemies of farmers because they ravage their crops and they end up causing yield loss. Apart from causing yield losses, they also force farmers to incur costs of management like purchase and application of pesticides. And you might have been told that we are trying to tone down on the usage of very toxic chemicals which farmers have been using.